So just the other day, I got a notification from the sneakers app saying, "Hey, just for you, exclusive access to the Air Jordan 3 Maniére while you were sleeping collection." And I thought, hey, I've had my eye on the sneaker for a while. Okay, sure, picked one up.
Von Jog Vlog.
The while you were sleeping arrived, well, in the afternoon while I was awake. Almost next day air from UPS. We have come to expect some elaborate unboxing experience from all of the collab sneakers. I guess when you're paying for two different brands to make a profit off of something, you should feel a little special about it. So we've got a bespoke kind of box. We have the handkerchief inside. We have a tag. We've got another tag that you might use as a keychain. And inside, each of these sneakers has an extra set of laces, giving you 3 to choose from. Came pre-laced in the kind of workman's black. It's, well, a slightly dingy. More on that later. What stands out at first, not just the quilted interior, but all of the components just exude quality. You have very thick, I'm sure this is going to do well in your Sure test over there. You're going to say this is real leather. If he hasn't already, I don't check out his channel anymore. In fact, I forgot the guy's name. Rose Anvil, that's it. This is a shoe that feels more like it was bench made. Though it was made in Vietnam. It's a little hard to find that inside under the tongue, but it's there. Now, I haven't had a Jordan 3 before, so I was concerned about the sizing. I kind of figured that maybe this quilted liner inside might be skinnier than OG, so I went with true to size, and I feel like I made the right choice. With my skinniest, thinnest, no-show socks, I went out with these in a pair of shorts. Felt okay. It was 91 degrees out, and I was kind of in the sun, enjoying my brand new deck. Yes, we may as well add some drone shots of that to this video. This Jordan 3 is not the lightest shoe, and it doesn't breathe all that well. It's not, full knitted Ultra Boost, but you can manage. In fact, I think you might actually be able to ball in this, seriously, because the fit is secure. There is a little bit of slight sliding around. I think that's attributed to this just being such a slick kind of material inside. But you know what? I think you could still actually play a game of hoops in this, though I'm not going to. I mean, hell, I took them to McDonald's, like Jordan would. Yeah, I threw on some pants to try to style these a little different. This looks pretty versatile, at least as versatile as long as the kind of like off-white pre-aged outsole thing is going to last for us. If that's a trend that's working for you and you still think it works, then hey, go for it. I found these shoes to be reasonably comfortable. And I think one of the key tests in any sneaker is if you are seated, do you feel like you're still wearing shoes? Toes weren't cramped. I think we had full-length air at the point of this. Did we? I mean, it's cushiony enough. It's not the most high-tech thing going. It could be lighter, but I don't really have any real issues. You could walk around with these. And I think that these are going to age very well for you. In the limited time I've used them, you don't really get much of a developed crease here because this is very thick leather. But as it breaks in, are we going to kind of catch up with the kind of like pre-aging over here and the laces and just have like this really cool post-apocalyptic cyberpunk sneaker? Maybe so. Why not show you my new flower garden? Yeah, $30,000 total renovations here. I hope somebody is appreciating this and hitting that like button, subscribing, ring the bell for notifications, all that kind of stuff. I don't build my sneaker collection on, I think this is going to be rare. This is going to be worth more. I'm going to flip this. I get some of the stuff I may have missed out on as a kid and try to get the superior version of it, or something that might look good on stage or something, because I do stand-up comedy once in a while. I missed out on the AJ4 Maniére, and so I went one up and I got those SBs, And I'm like, you know what? I'm not done with you guys. Yeah. Oh, okay. You want to show me that AJ3? Okay, fine. You know, good substitute. Really. I mean, hey, we're still doing the quilted thing inside. Fairly bespoke look about this. It's not too gaudy, too catchy, understated enough. I don't think anybody at McDonald's was eyeing me. So closing thoughts, not a bad sneaker, and you might be able to get these at pretty close to retail. I'm pretty sure Sneakers was lying to me about this exclusive access, more like, hey, you missed the drop and they didn't all sell out, but we can repackage that as, well, look at what we gave you, this beautiful opportunity to spend almost $250 on some 80s Jordans.
If you appreciate a YouTube channel that doesn't just pad out content to get to the 8-minute mark so that it can hammer you with ad breaks, then you should subscribe to my son's channel. You just got done watching it.